vast expanse of fertile land, agricultural machinery running freely. Weitai achieves in supporting agriculture. In Weifang, a specialized tractor manufacturer, take a root in agricultural machinery industry. Try to build world-class agricultural machinery products. Plan a magnificent blueprint. We are Weifang Taishan Tractor Co Limited. Weifang Taishan Tractor Co Limited was officially founded in 1999, located in Weifang City, west of Shandong Peninsula, benefited from convenient transportation and a superior regional location, wins the favor and love of vast number of users. All along, we focus on 25 to 200 horsepower wheeled tractors. Establish a well-known brand, Weitai, in the industry. Export to more than 20 countries and regions such as India, the Philippines, Thailand, Myanmar, Vietnam, North Korea, Mongolia, Africa, South Africa, and Europe.